What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see today, I got my iPhone 12 Pro Max on deck, and I got some cases from Nimbus9. Shout out to Nimbus9. Today, we're taking a look at the Cirrus 2 case. So the Cirrus 2 case, you've seen this on my channel for multiple other devices, guys. You know what it is. It's the ultimate driving case. This is a case that is dual layer protection, customizable buttons, lifetime warranty, and also you got the drive safe integrated mounting system. So Nimbus9 has a car mounting system, and this case has the magnet built in to work with their car mounting system. So very dope. You don't have to worry about any extras or putting anything extra on the back of your phone. This case has you can use the Nimbus9 car mounting system with this case without adding anything to your phone, any stickers or anything. Just slap it right on the car mount and your vehicle when you get the Nimbus9 car mount. So let's just talk about it. We talked about what's on the front. We got 10 feet of drop protection, Nimbus9 branding. Definitely shout out to them. And here's an example of how you would have it hooked up in your car and how that magnet is built inside of the case, guys. That's why they call this the ultimate driving case, because you can put your phone up and not have it in your hands and not because of accidents. Okay, so we got dual layer protection with Flexonite engineered to withstand 10-foot drop protection. We talked about that. Customize your case with an extra set of RealSense buttons. You know, I love these RealSense buttons that these Nimbus9 cases come with, guys. They give you a real good button press and they're customizable. So this is the Cirrus 2 in black, guys. And shout out to Nimbus9, guys, because they do the Heroes Hearts. So for every purchase of this product, a meal is donated to an orphan in need, guys. So very dope. We're going to go ahead and get the case out. And as you can see, I love their packaging because it's just, you can just slide it right out, guys. And there's no, it's not, we're not sitting here fighting with the case packaging. This is an example of that car mount system right here, guys. Go hook it up in your ride, and this case works perfectly with it. So you check that out. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for Nimbus9, guys. But as you can see, we got the RealSense buttons. You can put these red RealSense buttons. They're aluminum, guys. Red RealSense buttons into this case if you don't like the color of the buttons that you have in there. Customizable. I think that's a really dope touch, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at the case. And as you can see, we got the black case, guys. Cirrus 2. We got the Nimbus9 branding on the back. We got the cutouts for our lightning and our speakers. We got, as you can see, that this is the magnet to work with the mounting system, and we got some branding on the inside, let you know it's 10 feet drop protection. As you can see, we got the ridge tech going around the edges, so that's real good drop absorption, guys, on this case. As you check it out, let's check it out some more. We got, okay, boom, boom, boom. As you can see, we got these nice black RealSense buttons, but they can be replaced with the red RealSense buttons, guys. So a very nice touch there. All right, boom, nice. And we got a recessed camera bump to protect that big camera on our iPhone 12 Pro Max, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead, throw the phone up in here. We're not gonna waste no time. And here we go, looking very protected, looking very black. And this case has got a smooth feel to it, guys. It's got like a smooth feel to it, nice and comfy in hand. This is the kind of, these new iPhones, the iPhone 12, they're a little edgy because they're not rounded anymore. They're kind of like squared off. But this case feels good and has a good feel to it. Give you some good grip, and grip is a big part of drop protection, because the better you can grip your device, the less likely you are to drop it. And we got some raised up. We got some resistivity is raised up. I do have a screen protector on here, and is working with the screen protector, guys. And these cases do work with wireless charging, guys. So very dope cases right here, guys. Let me this is the black. So we got one more case, but it's the same case, so no need to get really in depth. I'm gonna just let y'all know what color it is, and I'm gonna throw it on the phone, let y'all see how it looks. Now we got the Cirrus 2 right here. And this color is midnight blue, guys. So let me show y'all how the midnight blue looks. And like I said, these cases work with the wireless charging. It is compatible with Q enable and other wireless chargers, guys. So no problem there. I'm getting this midnight blue out for you guys, and here it is, the midnight. Oh, now when the light hit it, that's a nice blue. In the case, I look more navy, but it's got some definite blue to it. I like how that looks. And it looks good with this wallpaper I got going on right now. Very dope wallpaper. Very dope blue case, guys. And that's just the look. And this is, like I said, it's dual layers. It's got a hard outer polycarbonate shell and then like a TPU type inner. And it's a very protective case, guys. The ultimate driving case works with the mounting system. Got some lip raisivity. We definitely got these black RealSense buttons. And then in the case with, oh, this is dope. In the case with the blue, the midnight blue, you also get a set of like gold yellowish RealSense buttons. Gold and yellow go together. Very nice, guys. That's a very nice look. That's a good look. It's your man BG Tech Life, man. Go ahead, follow me on Instagram, BG_Tech Life. Follow me on Twitter, BG_Tech Life. It's your man BG, and I'm out. Peace.